up, guys? Welcome to Just Another Car Channel. On this episode, we're gonna fix my friend's Duckbill spoiler. It's coming out from the corner, and last time we did it on a rush. We put double-sided tape, but we didn't have enough, and then we did it quick. So now it's coming out from the corner, so we're gonna do it right. So now I'm gonna take my mom's blow dryer to the garage, and I got this extension. So we're gonna heat up the glue first. So like when we put it on, it's gonna make good contact. And we also gonna try to fix my front lip. It broke, and I tried to put fiberglass on it, but when it stretched, it broke again. So I'm gonna do the zip tight thing. So maybe that one works. And yeah, we'll see where it goes. He has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. That's his car right there. The spin right there.
Hey.
And this is what we're trying to fix right now. It's coming off a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, we're scared that like when we're driving in the freeway, it's gonna pop off. So that's what we're gonna fix today. Let's go. All right, so we have the blow dryer connected already. So we're just gonna take this off, and we're gonna retape it again. And then we're gonna blow dry it so the glue gets a little bit melty, and we could plug it in. I mean, it's really on there right now, so but I don't know, we just want to make sure that, plus a little bit off from like the corner, so we're trying to make it look better. But yeah, this is the other car we're gonna mostly be working on also. It's 2010 Lancer ES or the E. It has the front STI lip. It has the XXR's 527s, I think 18 by 9.
Is it 527 or 537?
The Duckbill that we're trying to change right now. It's got shark fins roof thingy. What's it lowered on?
Huh?
What's it lowered on?
What's it lowered?
Yeah.
Time?
Springs, lowering springs. And no name exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks nice, it sounds nice. Alright, so let's take this off first. So
Don't we have to...
that'll be fun. No.
Otis.
Holy moly.
So this corner was the one that was coming off, and as you can see, they didn't have much tape. Then the rest was pretty good. And then this corner had some tape, so that's why it was good. So
Right.
we're gonna take this off and put the new tape on. You have like a rug or something in your car?
Alright. No, I have a duster.
I guess that'll do. Where is it?
It's in the back seat.
Don't mind the mess, guys. This guy sucks.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Oh, it ripped right off.
Oh shit! What the hell? What is it? What is that, man? All right, let's be careful with it. See right here, they kind of like curvashed a little bit, but since they're black, they're easy to fix. So we'll just put nail polish on them, and they should be fine. What up? There, look at that.
Beauty.
And camera looks nice, but in person.
Oh, you see.
Nah, I was kidding. Oh yeah. Also, we're gonna be working on the front lip of my car. And this is the part that fell off with the bolts. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna put it back here. I don't know if you can see. And I'm gonna drill it and put zip ties through it and see if that works. Because I really don't like how the front of my car looks. It's too round. Alright. So we got the new tape on there. We make sure to get the corners this time. This time. So now we're gonna heat it up. So go get the heat gun. The heat gun. The blow dryer. Swag. We would put it better this time.
For real.
For real.
We get them gay wise.
Looks better again. We're gonna drill it back together. Oh shit. I don't even know where to start, man. Hmm? What are this? I guess we'll just drill 2 holes through this shit right here. You wanna hold it?
Sure. You gonna drill me?
I'll drill you. Let me drill you real hard.
Wait. Oh, okay.
Try to hold it like, yeah, you're a fucking genius. This can't be safe at all, but
Oh, fuck. Don't cut me, bitch.
let me make sure I'm not gonna cut you out. You're good. Awesome, man.
You scared me like that.
Sorry. Oh.
Some drilling action.
I think we're gonna need a bigger drill.
Yeah, we are.
That's what she said. Yeah. Drill it. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Do it. Keep going. Oh, keep going.
There you go. So not safe. Where's the other one? Right here. Right here with the light. Maybe you can see the holes we drilled through them bitches. Can you see? How about this one right here?
Yep.
Right there. So what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna cross them. Here we go. Probably gonna end up drilling another hole somewhere. Oh. We're finna go to the back. Probably gonna have to glue this.
Zip tie that bitch.
Zip tie that. Yeah, we gotta do another one right here, just in case. But before we start making all them kind of holes and shit, we gotta make sure one of them works. Still in the bottom, yep. Should have done this one first. Another one right here. Hey, can you hold the lip a little bit? Sure. Yeah, that's not safe. Alright guys, after a bunch of zip ties and drilling holes everywhere, we have the lip on. Actually, it was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be harder, but it wasn't. And on this side, I just put some bolts through there, and then I put a zip tie at the end just to make it more secure. And yeah, man, it already looks way better, even though it's a little bit dirty. But we'll wash it when we go wash the whole car. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm glad I did this shit.